Hello, welcome to Here We Go, and welcome to the Brilliancies from Go Classics. Gokyo Shumyo, or the Brilliancies from Go Classics, is a famous collection of 520 problems written by the Japanese player Hayashi Genbi in 1812. This collection offers excellent practice for amateur players. That is why I have decided to walk you through all 520 problems here on my channel. For each problem, please pause the video at the beginning and try solving the problem on your own. After you solve the problem, or if you cannot solve it, you should spend at least 20 minutes on making a serious effort in calculating. Then you may come back to my video for the correct answer and explanation. Gokyo Shumyo is divided into 7 sections. In this playlist, let's explore section 4, which is called Attack. All the questions are for black or white to win a race to capture against its opponent. Knowing how to win a race to capture is a key skill in the game of Go. I explained the basics of the capture race in a playlist called Chapter 3, Capture Race, here on my channel. Most of the problems in this section might seem challenging at first, but they are readily solvable if you slow down and calculate carefully. Now, let's work our way through these 96 problems in the attack section. Good luck and have fun.